When your vehicle displays a key not detected warning, it means the immobilizer system cannot communicate with your key fob. Understanding this system and knowing immediate solutions can save you time and frustration. The key detection system uses radio frequency communication between your key fob and the vehicle. Passive systems operate at 125 kilohertz, while active systems use 315 or 433 megahertz. Your key contains an RFID transponder chip that responds to the vehicle's interrogation signals. There are three main causes of key detection issues. Battery-related problems account for 60% of cases, physical interference causes 25%, and system malfunctions represent 15% of issues. The first step is checking your key fob battery. Use a multimeter to test the voltage. It should read 3 volts for CR2032 batteries. Replace the battery if voltage drops below 2.7 volts. After replacement, reset the system by removing the battery for 30 seconds, then reinstalling it. Next, try moving your key fob to different locations within the vehicle. Remove any metal objects or electronic devices that might cause interference. As a backup method, hold the key fob directly against the start button to use proximity detection. If the previous steps don't work, perform a complete system reset. Turn the ignition off and wait 2 minutes. Then lock and unlock the vehicle 3 times using the physical key. Finally, attempt the normal restart sequence. This reset procedure resynchronizes the communication between your key fob and the vehicle's immobilizer system. These immediate troubleshooting steps resolve approximately 65% of key detection issues. By understanding how the system works and following this systematic approach, you can quickly address most key not detected warnings without needing professional assistance. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced diagnostic procedures are necessary. Start with an OBD scanner to check for specific immobilizer-related error codes. Look for immobilizer codes P05113, P05114, and P051FAIN, as well as B codes related to the body control module. These codes provide specific information about system failures. Next, test the antenna functionality with an RF signal tester and check the continuity of antenna wiring harnesses. Also verify key fob battery voltage and resynchronize rolling codes if necessary. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving toward digital key systems. By 2026, an estimated 40% of new vehicles will feature smartphone-based keys as the primary access method. Biometric integration, cloud-based solutions for remote diagnostics, ultra-wideband technology for precise location detection, and blockchain security for enhanced authentication are all emerging trends. Ultra-wideband technology provides much more precise location detection, significantly reducing false key detection warnings through improved spatial awareness. Regular maintenance prevents most key detection issues. Replace key fob batteries annually or when voltage drops below 2.8 volts. Ensure vehicle software stays updated and schedule annual diagnostic checks. Advanced troubleshooting requires proper diagnostic tools and procedures, while the future promises more reliable and secure key systems through digital integration and emerging technologies.